In video 12, drill bits. The drill bits we're going to discuss in this video are used in metalworking and fabrication. We won't be covering woodworking or masonry drills. So here's a set of letter drills, a set of fractional drills, and the smallest of the three drill series, wire gauge drills, or number drills. And here are some step drills used in sheet metal drilling, a center drill and a spot drill, and a set of annular cutters. Aside from metric drills, there are 3 inch drill series: inch, number, and letter. Most hardware stores only sell what machinists call fractional jobber length drills. These would be found in the left column of our drill tap chart. In the right column are the number and letter drills. We will discuss tap drills in the next video, and clearance drills a little bit later. Many smaller tap drill sizes can be found in the wire gauge series, or number drills. Also, if you're never drilling a hole deeper than an inch or so, a screw machine drill length or short length has more rigidity. This is a number drill set, the smallest of the 3 sets. And you can see that the largest number drill is right next to the smallest letter drill. In video 10, you may remember that we discussed why having a mark in the metal is important to keep the drill from walking. In addition to using a transfer punch or a center punch to make this mark, you can also use something called a center drill. This will not just make a mark, but a small pilot hole and a countersink that can be used for flathead machine screws discussed in the first video. And if you remember only one thing from this video, it's that you never use a jobber drill on sheet metal. Step drills keep the sheet metal from riding up the drill. They are often used by electricians for electrical panel fabrication. So here's a sheet metal pipe clamp, and I want to use a 1/4-20 button head cap screw to hold it down. So I need to make a clearance hole large enough for the screw to fit through. I'm going to use a vise grip to hold the 2 halves together, and then a small vise to hold the workpiece while I'm drilling. If I were to use a jobber drill to make this clearance hole, it would tend to pull into the material when it broke through the other side. So I'm going to use a step drill. Like all good drill bits, step drills are expensive, but they're worth it. They have discrete sizes, and you can actually feel each size as it breaks through. Drill speeds are determined by your workpiece and the diameter of your drill. In general, smaller drills require higher speeds, and larger drill diameters require lower speeds. For larger holes in sheet metal and steel plate, you can use something called an annular cutter. These are used on drills with a magnetic base, known as mag drills. They require cutting fluid, and they have low speed and very high torque, and need additional clamping for thinner sheet metals. Invite some tools into your life. I hope you find these videos helpful.